loved one pass away with no estate plan and only a will? The sad truth is, in the state of California, if your loved one owned real estate or cumulative assets over $150,000, this would include bank accounts, stock accounts, brokerage accounts, any business interests, rental properties, other assets that do not have a beneficiary, then chances are you're going to have to open a probate court proceeding for a judge to settle the estate. Hi, I'm San Diego probate lawyer Christina Hess, the owner of KR Hess Law. And I've got good news for you and I've got bad news for you. The bad news is there's 3 evils associated with the California probate court process. Unfortunately, there's not much that we can do about these things. The first is it's an incredibly slow process. The average probate is 16 months, and this was before the budget crisis, and this assumes that family members do not contest the probate proceedings or challenge the proceedings in any way. So it's very slow. The second evil of probate is it's a public process. So what this means is who the heirs are, the will if there is one, because in California a will guarantees probate. A will if there is one, the inventory of the assets, all of this information, the appraised value of the assets, all of this information is a matter of public record. So what that means is, unfortunately, there's predators and other people out there who will prey upon people who are inheriting money. The third evil of probate is its expense. It's a very costly, expensive process. The average probate in California costs approximately 5% of the gross value of the assets passing through the probate. And it's the gross fair market value. So for example, with real estate, a $500,000 home, the probate would cost approximately $25,000. Now this is whether there is a mortgage on the property is not relevant. It's the gross fair market value, what the property could be sold for. And this applies to stock accounts and bonds and also insurance policies that did not have beneficiaries. So unfortunately, these are the evils of probate. This is the bad news. The good news is that here at KR Hess Law, our team has handled hundreds of probates in many different counties in California. Our firm is located here in Sorrento Valley in San Diego, and we can help take the burden off your shoulders. My father passed away suddenly with no warning. Fortunately, he had a living trust, and so we didn't have to go through the probate process. But as a probate attorney, having handled probates, I understand, one, the pain of loss and what you need to do to recover and grieve. And the last thing that you need to do is to deal with this messy, public, expensive probate court process. We'll take that burden off your shoulders, communicate with you and your family members in an effort to foster family harmony during what is an incredibly difficult time, hopefully making the process as easy for you as possible. I'll handle all the court hearings, all the appearances, and we'll manage the process from the very beginning until the final distribution. I'd like to offer you a free consultation if you've had a loved one pass away and you think you might need to open a probate. Just fill out the form below or call our office. We'd love to get you in our calendar and see how we might be able to help you. And don't forget to sign up for my free report, everything that you need to know about a California probate. Again, this has been San Diego probate lawyer Christina Hess, and I look forward to hearing from you.